Good King Henry. This herb is why I'm a herb farmer. Back in 1970, about 5, I was working at Tumbler's Bottom Herb Farm, and I met Good King Henry. And I thought, wow, I don't know that herb. Where does it come from? And who is Bad Henry? Good King Henry is a German elf, and Bad Henry is dogma. He looks very similar to this. So please check before you eat. But Good King Henry has this lovely flower. It's a member of the goosefoot family, and you can actually see that in the shape of a leaf. And it is the original Lincolnshire spinach. So at this time of year, in early spring, these leaves are wonderful as a spinach, and I just wilt it, I steam it, I make it into soups, a huge soup, as you gathered, drinker, but it is, for me, really high in minerals. It is an essential spring sort of pick-me-up herb. So go Good King Henry. Oh, very beautiful, very beautiful.